Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Savannah Liddell, and today's video is going to be just a little get ready with me with this look, and then at the end I'm also going to review the Fenty Body Lava Body Luminizer. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Fenty Beauty Body Lava in Brown Sugar. Yeah, I bought it with my own money, and yes, it's expensive, so your girl only could buy one. I mean, I could buy two, but I just didn't want to spend all my money on a body luminizer. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I bought Brown Sugar, and at the very end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a little demo of it and then give you guys my honest opinions on it. So if you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned. If you're new, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell. That way you never miss a video from me. All right, let's get into it. Here I'm starting out with my Clinique moisturizer. This is the, I forgot the name of it, but it has SPF in it and I really love it. So I'm just prepping my skin, putting that on. And you know guys, I got lashes done, lash extensions, so you have to be really careful like to not tug or pull at them or mess them up. It's so complicated. Now I am using this MAC Strobe Cream, which I did some of my steps backwards because I forgot. So I'm just dabbing that on my face and rubbing it in, and that's just gonna give me a nice little glow. I probably should have primed before I did this, but I kind of forgot, so forgive me. Next, I'm using this it's a Maybelline primer, and I'm focusing it really on the places where I get oily the most. So I'm just rubbing it in, and then I'm gonna do like a patting motion just to make sure it's in there. Oh, and now I'm gonna color correct with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange. I put it under my eyes and around my mouth for my dark circles and my hyperpigmentation. And throughout the video, you may see me looking at something. I was actually watching Power. I've been catching up on Power this whole weekend. I'm only on season 3, so I just watched Power while I did my makeup. So that's why I kind of pause a little bit sometimes. I think I cut all those clips out though. Anyways, I'm blending this out with a Real Technique sponge. And now it's time for foundation. I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I changed my shade to Sandalwood because I feel like it just fit me better. I used to use Amber Honey, and I just felt like it looked a little too red on me. So I switched it up, and I really like this one so far. And I'm using the Morphe, I don't know, brush. I'll link everything down below in the description bar in case you're interested. Next, I am contouring with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick. I forgot the name of it, but I'll, again, link it down below. And I'm just, you know, carving out my cheekbones and my head. My forehead, for some reason, was looking really big, so I decided to contour up there too. And I'm just using that same Morphe brush to blend everything out. Yes, my edges are sticking out. It looks a mess, but, you know, at the end, we're gonna look good. So that's all that matters, okay? Now it's time to conceal and highlight. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep. And I'm going to conceal under my eyes because them dark circles are no joke. No joke. And then I'm also going to drag it down my nose, the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm going to highlight my Cupid's bow, and I always highlight underneath my bottom lip just because I feel like it gives me more of a pout, makes my lips pop a little bit more. Then I'm just cleaning up that contour that we did. Yeah. Now I'm blending everything out really quick with a Real Technique sponge again. Kind of zooming through that. Doubt you guys want to just watch me blend. That's not that fun. Now I'm going to use my fingers to blend out my under eye concealer, and I broke a nail. It's so weird, guys. My friend Michaela like Snapchatted me her nail, like a picture of her nail broken, and then I woke up, looked at my nail, and my nail was broken. It was weird. Like, it was the weirdest thing. I didn't even do anything. Like, I just woke up to a broken nail. Anyways, yeah, I blended that out. Now I'm on to brows. So I'm just brushing my brow hairs up, and I am using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade number 4. So I'm kind of zooming through this because brows are kind of boring and mine are kind of a hot mess, but whatever. So I just carve out my brow, and then I start filling it in. And towards the front of the brow, I go in like more like, I brush upward, I guess you could say, and I use like a light hand. Towards the tail of the brow, I'm using a heavier hand just because that's where I have the least amount of hair. You see me watching Power. I had to stop. Something must have been juicy. But yeah, then I brush out the brow hairs just to blend everything out, and I'm just carving my brows out to clean it up a little bit and just get a better shape. And I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now I'm powdering, just setting everything with my COTY Airspun powder. I think it's in the shade Natural Beige. And I'm just going underneath my eyes so that my concealer doesn't crease, and then just kind of putting it everywhere. Now I'm going to bronze with this Black Radiance powder. And then I like to go over it with a sponge just so it doesn't look so powdery. Looks more natural. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty, what is this called? The Killawatt thingy. Yeah. Again, I'll have these linked down below. I'm just using it as blush. Now I'm going into eyes with the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia, and I'm just using a fluffy brush, and I'm just going in with that shade and just getting my, just using it as a transition shade basically before I start with the real shades. Next I'm going in with this orangey shade, and that's going to be like my crease color. So I'm again just going on top of that transition shade, blending that out. Next, I'm going in with this darker brown shade because I kind of want this to look a little bit smoky. So I'm just putting it on the outer part of my eye just to add some dimension. I don't know what I was saying. Now I'm using this Smashbox palette, and I'm using that golden brown goldy color all over my lid. And I'm using just a flat shader brush to do that. And it was kind of hard because my lashes are in the way, so I feel like my eyeshadow didn't look as good as normal, but I really do love my lashes. And now I'm just blending everything out, making sure there's no harsh edges. Now I'm going in with the Killawatt Trophy Wife highlighter from Fenty, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight to just make the look pop. Next is mascara for my bottom lashes. This is the L'Oreal like fiber something mascara. And now I'm highlighting with the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, which I love. In love with it. Yes, girl. Glow, girl. Yes, yes, yes. I like to highlight my Cupid's bow too. Next, we're going in with some Fix Plus from MAC to make everything just not look powdery, make the highlight pop. Psh, 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 psh. Now it's time for lips, so I'm lining my lips with this lip liner from Rimmel. I'm just outlining my lips. Now I'm going in with this Dose of Color liquid lipstick. I really love their liquid lipsticks. They don't dry, like they don't make your lips feel like all dried, but they still dry down to a matte, and they're just really nice. So I can't wait to get some more shades. For this look, I just kind of wanted it to be more glossy, so I went ahead and added the Rimmel clear gloss over it, and I really like how it came out because it still had the color, because I like the color, but I wanted it to be a little bit more glossy. So now that I'm done with my whole face, got my hair down, I'm gonna go ahead, and I do have, this is not even a tube top, but I made it one because I want you guys to be able, hey Ginger. So my dog just ran in. Okay, so this is the Body Lava. It comes in this pretty little package. This is really, really nice. It's gorgeous packaging as always. And this is called the Body Lava Body Luminizer. And I got mine in brown sugar because I just felt like it would probably be the best looking shade on me. There's only one other one, but yeah. And this is kind of pricey, and no, I'm not like one of those cool YouTubers that gets sent like PR and stuff. So yeah, I had to make a decision on which one I wanted because I was not gonna spend my money on both of them, not just yet at least. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a huge, like I don't have my Fenty foundation, but just to compare to what, I mean, this is not even a big one. This is my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and this is the Body Luminizer. So, I mean, it gives you 3 ounces, so that's a lot of product. And now I see why it's so pricey. And it comes with a nice little pump and a nice little cap. This is really pretty. This is pretty to like sit on your vanity. But yeah, I think if you buy this, I don't think you're gonna regret it because I feel like it's so much product that it'll last you a lifetime, honestly. Like if you run through this, like I'm gonna be looking at you a little sideways, like what are you using this for? But yeah, like I probably rarely use this. I probably only use this like if I was going out or something, or like on a summer day where I just wanted to like shimmer and shine and feel cute, or if I was wearing like you know, showing this area, which I normally don't, but who knows, I might start doing that. Oh my gosh, she's playing with her squeaky toy. Hold on, I'm gonna go shut the door. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to kind of demo this. It's not anything special. It's gonna be so quick. And no, I don't have the brush. I was gonna buy the brush. It was like, I think the brush was like $35, and I didn't buy the pom-pom. I'm sorry, but I wasn't gonna buy that. But yeah, the brush, I didn't get to get my hands on it because it was sold out. So I'm actually just gonna use my hands. Like, I'm just gonna be real. Like, I'm not gonna be using a brush to put this on. So I'm gonna, I guess, be like Rihanna, put it on my shoulder. No, but I'm just gonna put it on my shoulder. I guess I'll just shake it. Okay, it literally looks like liquid gold. Okay, and I'm just gonna, let's just rub it in. Wow, that's like, oh, it smells good. It smells like vanilla, and it's looking really gold and bronzy, which I mean, it looks like that in the bottle. Okay, looks nice. It feels kind of moisturizing in a weird way. A lot of people said it felt sticky. I kind of see what they meant by that, but I wouldn't say it's sticky. Let's see. I'm kind of going a little crazy with this, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna rub it in here. Hopefully you guys can see, like, hopefully it picks up on camera a little bit. I don't know. This is nice. And again, I don't really feel like this is necessary, like, unless you're one of those people that likes to have a luminizer. I definitely think that this is a good choice, and you get your money's worth. So like, you probably won't have to buy any luminizers, like body luminizers, for the rest of your life. Unless you just like to switch it up. But this one is pretty. I wonder how this would look on lighter skin, or like fair skin. I'm gonna do my shoulder again, do the Rihanna. Hit him with that Riri. Even though my shoulders are huge. I don't know if you guys can see it or tell. anything. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the Fenty Body Lava and Brown Sugar. On brown sugar. Yeah, this is the finished look. This is what the Fenty Body Lava looks like. My conclusions, like I said, I do think that if you're on the hunt for a body luminizer, that this is a really nice one, especially for the price. It's a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie. I honestly didn't think it was gonna be $59. But now getting it in person and seeing how huge the bottle is, you get 3 ounces and it's really pretty packaging too. So I'm a sucker for packaging. So this will be going on my vanity. It'll be sitting out and probably barely get used, to be completely honest. But yeah, I think if you're someone who wears a lot of strappy things or tube tops or halter tops or things that off the shoulder type of things, especially with summer coming up. I mean, it's spring, so a lot of people are already wearing that, but with summer coming up, I could definitely see myself using this a lot on the weekends and stuff, or just on a night out, or if I'm just like, you know, feeling myself. But as far as do I think you need to run out and buy it? No, I'm gonna be completely honest. Unless you're on the hunt for something like this, I think this one is a good choice because you get a huge amount. So yeah, that's my conclusion. That's my little get ready with me. You know, I know I didn't talk through the whole thing, but I actually really like how this look came out, and I'm kind of mad at myself for forgetting about my little Fenty Trophy Wife highlighter. Like, I feel like after I did my video on it, which I'll link I mean, it's kind of old, but I'll link it right now. After I did my video on it, I honestly didn't really use it that much. So, but I really like how it's like making my eyeshadow pop. I'm really digging this look. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna try this out, and let me know if you guys think it's worth the price. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.